Enduro motorcycle BSE PH03, white with red. Specifications: SKU 070697, type pit bikes, cooling airy, volume, cc 110, transmission manual mechanics, fuel system carburetor, made in India. PH03B110 is smaller size pit bike of BOSUER pit bike series for young kids. It is equipped with 110cc engine, air-cooled, 4-stroke, semi-auto. The engine power is 4.7 kW at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Chassis is BOSUER exclusively designed for smaller size pit bike for young kids. The frame can accept from 70cc to 90cc, 110cc engine. There are one main bar and one additional bar structured up and down together and connect with strong formed steel cradle. Swing arm is steel material. The suspension are non-adjustable both front and rear. Front fork is 650 mm and cooperate with 12 inches and 14 inches wheel to keep the bike lower seat height for young kids using. Brakes system are Dysnet and modified by BOSUER exclusively. Engine: 110cc engine, 4-stroke, kickstart, semi-auto. Frame: steel 2-bar, steel swing arm. Wheel: front 14, rear 12 inches. Suspension: non-adjustable. Brake system: BOSUER discs and 1-piston front brake and 1-piston rear brake. Muffler and exhaust pipe: steel exhaust pipe, muffler body and ender alloy.